Morning. I'm out here at Newhaven Fort. It's 18th of May, Sunday, 2025. There's a car group of passing curious here. We can have a look around. Of the small car gathering they've got here today. If you subscribe to my channel, please do. As all helps. I'm Classics and Sports Cars vlog channel. That's my YouTube channel, and I have a website of carmediakent.com. So please look at that if you can. Oh, so Bentley, morning, turbo, and a branch red one next to it as well. Nice leather interior. Where's where I'm going? Hello. Yeah. White Capri. You've got a Ford. You've got American Dodge inbred next to that. All the engines underneath. Black interior. Black seats. A 1950s, 60s big American car, Dodge. Oh. It's like the curve there. We've got an RS 200, 2000 Escort. A bigger car that they are. 1950s, 60s American. A blue Escort 2000. These are nice. I've got a little bear on the front. Triumph for T's, they are. They have a nice leather interior.
Do not forget the bear.
You've got wood dash, nice wood dash. A very nice engine to go with it too. Got Cortina. You've got a festival in August, bank holiday, Broad Farm, Hellingley, East Sussex. Festival of Transport during. $1,600 GL. Cortina there. I think someone's selling their American car here, which is Bonneville. Got some books here as well and bits and pieces for cars. If anyone's interested. No, it's just information on the car really. It's not for sale, it's just info on the car. It's a Pontiac Bonneville. Again, 1950s, 60s. This is limited edition. They're called a Cappuccino car. Little MIDI car, they are. So I'm out to the fort here. It's fairly large. You know, they've got other things doing here as well, kids, etc. Just here at Newhaven. As I keep saying, please do subscribe to my channel, as all helps, as I do a lot for my channel, or videos, and also occasional photos as well to go with. Vauxhall Viva, white. Got like whitish cream interior to it. Blue Ford Orion with leather interior. An RS Cosworth engine in it. Wow. Volkswagen camper. And another Volkswagen there. A Mustang. So it's only a very small gathering here today, but there's another one doing here in the same place in July, in 2 months' time. Called Galaxy 500, American car again, left-hand drive. Yes, very black and yellow front. We wander back up here. Got the Daniel's car here, which is it's only passing curious. Yeah. It's a Plymouth. It's not a Dodge. It's a Plymouth. They look very similar. Got 72 Fiat 500L. The base model Fiesta. Volkswagen, or two Volkswagens actually next to each other. One in white and one in like a brown colour. For different type of years because of the way the front end is and the back as well. One's a K reg and the other was a H reg. They're 1300. white is. We don't know what the brown one is. We don't know. Got Jaguar. That's a Hillman, and they got all the old radio in the front there, and all the picnic set in the back. They've got cameras, the old cameras on the back shelf there. Oh. It's a minx, a Hillman minx, they are. A white MR2 with the engine in the back. And a BMW. They are a setter, but they're like a bubble car. You can only carry about 2 people in the front, unfortunately, and that's it. The Beatles there. This is the area of the fort going round. Oh yeah, thanks, yeah. Giant stag in white. I've seen this before as well. I've got a picture of it on Saint Pod Raceway. Very green. Yeah. G-Reg BMW. Not in ideal state. To me, it's the year. You know, we totally parked together there. Got a Mini and a minivan. Wander around the back and come up the steps a minute, yeah. Well, they've got a cafe here.
Yeah.
Mini's in green with a black roof. It's got a sunroof as well up on the top. Lovely blue, it's like a pearlescent blue, that is. Chevrolet American. It's got a turntable on the dash. And excuse me, I'm a bit dry here. I might have to get a drink somewhere in a moment. But I've got 2 Mustangs here. One's a Chevrolet, and the other one's a Mustang. A Chevrolet van here. bit battered, but another American Mustang from the 50s, 60s. Swing around and just really. Okay, convertible Mustang, again from the 50s, 60s, American. Catch on this car, big shopping. And next to that, it's American truck. And this is a Chevrolet. It's an American. It's like a half truck, really.
Yeah, mine was just flat at the end. So. Yeah, I just kind
of another one. Another red. Next to that, another Cobra. There was a big gun there. Used all those years ago in the war. You've got a shelter over there, right at the back there. Yeah, so I've got really just a small car gathering here today. So it's not really a car show as car shows go. It's just a small car gathering as car gatherings go. Yes, good with that. Just wandered back down to the end. Bexhill have their seafront display, which this car here is always at. This MG. They've got theirs next Sunday of May Bank Holiday. That's their seafront display in Bexhill, East Sussex. Right, I'm gonna say goodbye. So there's just a mere small gathering here today, cars. I'm saying goodbye from Classics and Sports Cars vlog channel. From the fort here. So this video should be uploaded in a few days' time. So as I say, please do keep saying, please do subscribe. Find my other web page as that has loads of pictures on it of carmediakent.com. And I'm Classics and Sports Cars vlog channel.